Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. We're going to be working on that today. You can see right here, I got one set of supports for the chimney. I want to put a second one on. So I have the 3 courses of the scaffold up, or 3 bunks. And so I'm just going to get up there and get the other one on and bolted to the roof with lags. Just really glad that Sparkle and I got the scaffold about a month and a half ago. There would have been no way to get that chimney up without it, but I want to get that secured because we have another project that we need the scaffold for. But let's finish that while it's all in place. Alright, I just went and took some measurements for the blocking I need to cut. I blindly lagged those into the roof, hoping I would hit a roof truss. I didn't, so I'm glad I'm putting on the second set. But I'm gonna go cut some blocking and nail it up, so when I lag in now, I'll hit something behind it and the chimney will be secure, and then I'll take out the bottom lags and go around, put the blocking in, and I'll climb back up and secure it. So I'm just using some scrap 2x8 I have, you know. Alright, now I'm going to take all 4 of these upstairs and I'm going to nail in 2 of them now, and then I'm going to go up and start working on the outside chimney stuff. Alright, so this is the universal chimney brace. To me, universal means it's a pain to assemble. Luckily this is the second time I'm doing it, and I'm going to try and prep a little more before I get up on the scaffold, but let's open it up. Okay, so all the braces make sense. Like, these make sense, these make sense. This is the part that's just a pain in the butt. Alright, but let's just do it anyway. Plenty of extra pieces. Just glad it was not a windy day like last time. So these are the trouble ones. These are called the elevator bolts, and so they serve their purpose. They do exactly what they're supposed to do, but they like to fall out. So we're actually going to tape them in place because it's just going to be me up there, and yeah, let's just get some tape. Alright, blue painter's tape is great for everything. Alright, so I'm just taping these in place now. Maybe these ones I'll use the silver tape on, because this stuff's sticky as can be. Because this goes all the way around and goes like this, but it's hard to hold these in place So alright, that one goes into there. I think I got all the pieces, parts I need to climb up there. It takes a 7/16, 5/16, and a 1/4 inch. I have a 7/16 wrench. These fit all the screws and the lags, the worm clamps, the elevator bolts. Yeah, I guess it's just time to climb up there and do it. Alright, let's get all this in my pocket where I can maybe reach it, I hope. Alright, I'm just going to set that up here so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry you won't be able to actually see me fasten everything, but you'll be able to see me struggle. So I hope that's a consolation prize. Alright, let's get up there somehow. Alright, so I have it all secured up there, the upper ones. I took the lags out of the bottom ones, so now I'm going to go put the blocks underneath and I'm going to put the lags back in. All right, now it's time to just take this down and we're gonna move it to the next spot.